The second-generation iPod Shuffle is nearly half the size of the original and features a built-in clip, making it the most wearable iPod ever. We know you can't wait to listen to your favorite music on the go, so here's how to download and play music on your iPod Shuffle. The first thing you'll want to do is download and install the latest versions of iTunes and iPod software. Once that's done, you're ready to add music and other audio files to your iPod Shuffle. Use the iPod Shuffle dock to connect to a USB port on your computer. This is how you load audio files and charge the iPod Shuffle battery. This is also the port you'll plug your headphones into. The first time you connect iPod Shuffle to your computer, the iPod Setup Assistant will appear. Give your iPod a name and leave this option selected if you want iTunes to automatically fill your iPod with songs from your library. I'll deselect it for now and click Done. Now that your iPod is connected, it's a good idea to choose Check for Updates from the iTunes menu to make sure you have the latest. To set how your music is downloaded from iTunes, select iPod Shuffle in the Source pane on the left, and the options appear at the bottom of the Contents pane. Click here to select a playlist, and then click the Autofill button to transfer songs from your selection. You can also add songs, playlists, audiobooks, or podcasts manually to your iPod Shuffle by dragging them to your iPod in the Source pane, like this. Remember, if you manually add an audiobook, you can turn off iPod Shuffle to set a bookmark and save your place between sessions. While music is being transferred, you'll see a Do Not Disconnect message here in iTunes. When your update is complete, you can eject your iPod Shuffle by clicking here in the Source pane and then disconnecting it from your computer. Now let's take a look at the settings on your new iPod Shuffle. Turn it on and off using this switch here. This is the iPod Shuffle status light. It lets you know if you've pressed a button, the state of the battery, that your iPod Shuffle is enabled as a disc, or if there's something wrong. The Play in Order switch will play songs in the order they appear in iTunes. Switch to Shuffle and you'll hear your songs played in random order. You'll use this center button to play or pause. To raise or lower the music volume, press these buttons on the raised circle. Use these buttons to go to the next or previous song. If your iPod Shuffle stops responding, you can easily reset it by turning it off for 5 seconds and then turning it on again. If you're having a problem and you need to contact AppleCare, you'll need to know your serial number. You can find it under the clip on iPod Shuffle, or here in the Settings pane when your iPod Shuffle is connected to iTunes. If you select Copy from the Edit menu, you can easily paste your serial number into an email or web page. For more information about iPod Shuffle, select iPod Service and Support from the Help menu in iTunes, or see the features guide at www.apple.com/support/iPod Shuffle.